Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the what is pharmacy and its details. So basically this video will highlight about the pharmacy details. So we will be hearing every time that this is the pharmacy shop or this is the pharmacy and this person does the pharmacy work. So basically pharmacy is not only about the shop, it is about the from the starting of the medicine. Means person who is studying about pharmacy, he is making medicine and he is making medicine and he is prescribing to someone, he is storing the medicine, and then he is also giving to someone. So this is all about the medicines and it is all about the pharmacy. These all things comes under the pharmacy. So this is very important topic. So we will see in this video the details of this. So in this video we will see about the what are the contents, means what is pharmacy, who is a pharmacist, what are the professional skills of a pharmacist, role of pharmacist, who can study pharmacy, courses in pharmacy, prime institutes of pharmacy in India, means premier institutes, and the career opportunity in pharmacy, very important topic. So let's get started with the contents. So first topic is what is pharmacy. Pharmacy, as I said earlier, pharmacy is not only about the shop or not only about the prescribing the medicines. Pharmacy is all about the from starting learning of medicines from the starting and then to the end to giving to the customers or giving to the patients. So let's see. Pharmacy derived from the word pharmacon, medicine or drug. In general sense, it is a term related to drugs, medicines. As I said, it is not only related to a shop, it is related to the education, to the person, to the customers, and then to the shop. Means it is a cumulative term of all the things. Means it is related to the drugs and then cumulative form of all the things. Pharmacy means. Pharmacy is the art and science of manufacturing and dispensing of drugs prepared by natural and synthetic sources and using them for the treatment and prevention of diseases. This means it is also a cumulative form of the knowledge of medicines and the manufacturing and then giving to the customers or giving to the patients. And also we should have knowledge of the natural and synthetic sources. So this is known as pharmacy. So basically pharmacy we have seen. Now who is a pharmacist? Pharmacist means pharmacist also known as druggist or chemist. Pharmacist means who prescribes the drugs or means who gives the drugs to the patients. Basically the pharmacist means this, but pharmacist means also is a person who is working in a pharma industry. It means they also have the knowledge of drugs because they are manufacturing the drugs. Means they have studied the pharmaceutical education and then they are on the basis of their education they are manufacturing it, be it in the they are manufacturing it, be it in the small form or large form, or be it in the API or formulation. We will see in the coming slides. But this is all about the pharmacy, means they deals about the drugs, means they are also known as the druggist or chemist. Pharmacist is a healthcare professional who practices pharmacy focusing on safe and effective use of medicines. I have already mentioned these things. So what are the professional skills of a pharmacist? We have seen who is a pharmacy and who is a pharmacist. So now what are the skills required for a pharmacist? So first of all thing, a drug of a knowledge of a drug synthesis, quality control test, detection of degradation products, means if a drug is degrading. So this is very important topic. We can say that pharmacists should have knowledge, because if a drug is degrading or if a drug is going to harm us, so they should know the detection of degradation product, they should know the degradation products. Stereos of pharmaceutical products, they should know how to store, because every products have their own limitations and every products have their own storage conditions. Dosage form preparations, how it is prepared, because different dosage forms are prepared in different way. Route of administration, be it oral, be it solid, be it rectal, be it suppositories, or be it nasal, be it ophthalmic. So there are different kinds of route of administration. Drug-drug interaction, we cannot give each and every drug with each and every other drug. So they should know proper information about all the drugs. And then the drug-food interaction. So how a food interacts with a proper drug, they should also have a knowledge on it. So this is all the professional skills of a pharmacist. Next is role of a pharmacist. So this is also an important thing to know. Role of a pharmacist: compounding and or describing prescription medicines. They can also compound or dispense the prescriptions medicines. Means whatever the drugs the doctor has prescribed, they can they need to give these drugs. Providing pharmaceutical information to healthcare professions. This is also an important, because they need to provide a pharmaceutical information also to the healthcare professionals. Monitoring customers drug therapies to avoid interactions with other medications. Suppose if a patient is undergoing through any some kind of medications, so they need to monitor, or they need to tell the customers or the patients that okay, this particular therapy or this particular medication is going on, so you cannot take these medicines, or you should take these medicines. So in this way, this is also a role of a pharmacist. Providing pharmaceutical expertise to customers on the safe use of medicines. So this is important. Why? Because we should have a proper expertise, because if we do not have expertise, so we can prescribe any medicines to any customers or to any patient, so we will be in trouble. So we should have a proper expertise. Okay, analgesic drug is there, or anti-inflammatory drug is there, or antispasmodic drug is there, so we cannot prescribe each and every drug to each and every patient. Ensuring the quality of medicine supplied to patients. So we should always ensure the quality of medicine. So we cannot give generic drugs and ethical drugs to each and everyone. We should know the difference between these. So this is also a role of a pharmacist. Next is we are always in doubt that who can study pharmacy. Means either commerce students can study pharmacy, or arts student can study pharmacy, or science students can study pharmacy. So here we will look in detail. Any student who has completed plus 2 science or intermediate with science background. So this is very clear that you should have a science background to study the pharmacy, because pharmaceutical education requires a proper science background education. We cannot have a commerce background and then we can study the bachelor of pharmacy or diploma of pharmacy or master of pharmacy. So in intermediate, student can have biology or maths as their choice. This depends on the student. They can also have a maths and they can also have a biology. That this depends upon the universities, but any one is okay. Students can also have both as an optional choices. Bachelor of Pharmacy is a 4 years course. So it is basically a 4 years course. In Bachelor of Pharmacy, 3 months industrial training is required at the end of the course. This is required because you should be, along with the practical knowledge what we have studied in the college, we should also able to implement, or we should also able to see in the real time the practical what we have learned in the industry level. So there we this is required, the industrial training is required. Master of Pharmacy is a 2 years course. In Master of Pharmacy, 1 year industrial training or research work is required at the end of the course. So Master of Pharmacy is a specialization in particular field. Say suppose quality assurance or pharmaceutical or pharmacology or pharmacognosy. So there 1 year of industrial training or research work in any research institute is required. This is required by each and every universities or college to be submitted. This is very important. So I forgot to mention here diploma in pharmacy, D Pharma. So this we can do after plus 2, and this is a 3 years course where a diploma kind of degree is students gets, and there we can get the this is a 3 years course, and the students get the same education as in the Bachelor of Pharmacy, but the level or the intent of education will be quite low. There they will be required to study not the medicines in much deeper level what we are studying in the Bachelor and Masters of Pharmacy. So this is another course, D Pharmacy. So next of all we will see the courses in India. Means this is very important. We will be in doubt that okay, what courses and we have in India. Diploma in Pharmacy, one is the Diploma in Pharmacy. Bachelor of Pharmacy, I have mentioned this is 4 years course. This is 3 years course. This is 2 years course. Master of Science and Master, and this is also a 2 years course. So to Doctor of Pharmacy, this is completely a 5 years course, which is a combination of Bachelor and Masters. This is very limited, and universities conducts this course. Integration of two courses like B Pharm plus MBA or the students who wants to go into the management sides, or who are interested into the marketing side, so they can conduct a B Pharma plus MBA, means 4 and plus 2 6 years, or either 2 years plus 2 years. It is a 4 years after the Bachelor of Pharmacy. This is a 4 years course, and this is a 6 years course. Thank you.